Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to transfer Westjet dollars. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you do not already have a Westjet profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the flights, vacation, and offers. And we have a book a flight option here where you can go and book your very own flight. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile where you can go and view it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and transfer Westjet dollars. So guys, you may transfer Westjet dollars to another member subject to a transfer fee of $50 plus acceptable fee taxes. You may use your Westjet dollars to purchase a booking for another individual so long as you make the booking on behalf of the individual that we are talking about. So basically you can of course do it guys. You just need to do it and for $50 minimum. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.